Hello, my name is Guy Bradshaw. Some of you may know me from Bradshaw Medical in Kenosha, Wisconsin. I'm happy to report that after a year of being acquired by InTech Medical, our sales have grown by nearly 25%. And as a group overall, the industry has accepted this integration with open arms, and the business is continuing to flourish. Our overmolded handle products have been very well received to complement the existing InTech product line. They have complicated instruments and numerous implant manufacturing facilities throughout the world. The main purpose for our decision to integrate with InTech was so that we could take our products global. Primarily we were 100% in the US, and by joining forces with InTech, we are now selling our products throughout the entire world. Our facility is in Kenosha, Wisconsin, as I stated, and InTech has 5 facilities throughout the world. They have one in France, they have another in Memphis, they have one in Alabama, and their Malaysia shop is also available to the Asian market. I've known Laurent Provost for probably 25 years in the orthopedic industry. He and I have been close friends for quite some time. We talked about this possibility a couple of years ago, and it finally got to the point where in our business where we had kind of maxed out what we could do here, and we were able to join forces now and truly become a force within the industry to serve the OEM manufacturers for the implant industry, for spine, orthopedics, and the cases and trays with the Pixidus facility. So we're very excited to report that after a year, our success continues, and there's been nothing but positive that has come from this merger. So thank you very much.